using the GraphGrid for some basic counting for games. Well, here we have the grids, the grid with a 2 centimeter cell size. And for instance, when we go to play Yahtzee, we could make here on the left hand side 1 dot. Here we have 2 dots, 3 dots, and we could say if we have thrown our dice, how many times we got a 1. Let's assume we have 1 times 1 here. We made 2 times 2 here. So these are diagonal lines in the grids. So we were lucky, so we got 4 times 3, and in this case we could keep our own scores for a Yahtzee game, and we can count afterwards and multiply them to see if we have earned all the bonus points. Well, we could use this same sheet a second time when we would do the scores like this. So we have the indication for the lines. We have the clockwise or counterclockwise. So this would be an option to use the sheet 2 times. Well, for some basic statistics, let's assume we have a class of 35 children, and we want to know how many have their birthday in January. So we could do maybe a J, the F, so if we can write, or we can have other symbols. So we have one child that has his birthday in January. We have 2 childs that have their birthday in February, January, February, March, April, May, June. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 children that have their birthday in June, and so we could do some basic statistics here. And if we want to make separation between boys and girls, we could use the same strategy where we are using the lines counterclockwise. And so we have 4 boys that have their birthday in June, and we have 4 girls as well that have their birthday in June. So this is a basic fundamental, an easy way of doing some fun and calculating with the GraphGrid.